Car audio and 3D printing. Two things you may think don't go together, but trust me, they do. Custom enclosures, mounts, adapters, 3D printing is becoming next level in the car audio world. And today, I'm gonna dip my toes in for the very first time. Welcome back to Bass Dad TV. I'm Jeff, and usually we're testing amps, subs, and batteries, but I just got a 3D printer, and I wanted to see how easy it really is to make something useful for the shop. Technically, my first print was a little cat for my daughter, but for my first real project, I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna do a sundown audio LED sign. If you're wondering what printer I'm using, it's the Bambu Labs P1S. I went with this one because it's fast, it's reliable, and pretty much plug and play. I didn't want to mess around with endless calibrations or modifications. I just wanted something that works straight out of the box, and the P1S delivered. This thing can print at insane speeds while still keeping great quality, and it has an enclosed build chamber which helps with temperature control, something that's useful if I ever print stronger materials like ABS or PETG for actual car audio parts. I found this design on Bambu Labs Maker World. I downloaded the file, I hit the slice button, then I hit print. A few hours later, boom, I had a sign. It wasn't complicated, there was no design work, and no fine tuning. The design actually prints in two colors, black for the base, orange for the logo, so no painting or extra steps were needed. Once the print was done, I added some LEDs inside to give it that backlit glow, and that was it. No drilling, no painting, no mess, just a simple clean looking sign for the shop. You can add many different kinds of LEDs, you can get them off Amazon. I actually just took one of my photo lights and stuck it inside for right now, but I'm gonna put some LEDs in there later. They have some that are really cool that have phone apps, some that you just plug in. Whichever ones you want to use, I'm sure they'll work just fine. So what does this have to do with car audio? Well, this is just a sign, but 3D printing is huge for car audio. Custom tweeter pods, subwoofer trim rings, amp mounts, even battery terminals. People are designing and printing all kinds of custom parts instead of fabricating from scratch. You can print exactly what you need right on the spot. For my first 3D print, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. And now that I see how easy this was, I'm definitely gonna be printing more car audio related stuff. In fact, I actually got this so I could start trying to make a little bit of money. So you're gonna see some products coming from me, but not just 3D printed stuff. We've got a lot more in store. Just keep an eye out. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. And as always, thanks for watching Bass Dad TV. I'll see you this weekend.